everybody, it's Vicki from Life in the Empty Nest, and today I'm so excited to be joining all the women in this collaboration, as well as many others who are involved in this year's Get Organized HQ virtual conference. This conference is completely free, and it's an online conference that you can join by just clicking on the link below. The conference runs from September 12th through the 16th, so if you're watching this and that has already passed, don't worry. You can get your all access pass in the link below, like I said, and you will have access to the 100+ sessions and speakers that aired during the conference, including me. And so today we are gonna talk about a couple of hacks that I use to help keep my life more organized. I am not a naturally organized person, but I do try hard to stay on top of things, and I've gotten much better over the years. So this one is like kind of stupid and simple, but I used it my whole life. I don't know, I think my mom did it. I don't know, I'm sure we all have these little frozen bags of vegetables or fruit in the fridge. So what I do is I cut the top off like that. I empty out what I'm gonna use for that recipe or whatever, and I just take the little end and tie it around. Voila, stick it right back in the freezer. You're not using any extra plastic in a Ziploc bag, and you don't end up with your little kernels of corn all over the bottom of your freezer, which I have done before. Now, the second thing, this thing is like one of the best things I've ever ordered on Amazon. I actually got it for my husband for Father's Day, but I kind of secretly bought it for me. I think it's like $15.99, and I'll include a link below for it, but it is a battery organizer. So this little gem is so cool. Okay, so you open it up, obviously, and you have all different sized batteries, and you also have a battery tester. So you can test old batteries that you just have laying around and see if they're still good or how much life is left in them. It does all sizes, and all sizes fit in this case because it is two-sided. And it's just like a little silly thing that makes such a big difference. And I know especially all of you that have young children and have toys and things like that that need batteries. This is a great gift, great Christmas gift, great big stocking stuffer, Father's Day gift, whatever. Anyway, so like I said, I kind of bought it for me. But this is another little thing that I bought on Amazon. It is a drawer divider. And if you want to come over here, dear, I'll show them in here. So these are adjustable for your drawers, and you can stick them in anywhere. You can do 2 or 3 compartments, whichever works for you, and they're adjustable, so they fit in drawers. So that's really handy. I will include a link for these below as well. And then last but not least, I'm not really showing you the hack, but this is our wine cellar. It's our wine wall. We've started collecting wine, and that is something you get to do when you're an empty nester, probably more so than I did when I had young children. But so what I use to track what we have in here is a little app called Cellar Tracker, and it is great because you can put when you bought it, how much you paid for it, other people's opinions of the wine you bought, when you should drink it, and it kind of keeps track of everything. And honestly, I've given that task to my husband because he's good at that kind of stuff, keeping track of online things. And, you know, he does have to work a lot because we kind of go through a lot of wine. So anyway, those are my little hacks. Hope to see you at the Get Organized HQ virtual conference. Click on the link below to get your all access pass.